meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. It's a wet start to the day, active, but we do break that pattern later this evening. We're up to 1/4 of an inch in Rockford. Same with near that in Freeport, Monroe, Galena. Savannah's checking in with about 1/10 of an inch. Rochelle and DeKalb only seeing a few hundredths of an inch. So you can see those areas out northwest of here and including Rockford where we have seen the heavier pockets of rain. That's where the heavier or more accurate totals are that are a little bit higher. But we're seeing a break now continuing. We were seeing widespread rain, but now that is breaking up a little bit. Scattered still across most of the area. Few pockets that are seeing clearing, still going to sit under a lot of cloud cover. They do continue to break up through the remainder of your day, though, into the mid-morning to late morning, isolated to scattered. That'll stick with us through lunchtime. Have the rain gear handy by the time we're heading into late afternoon, mid to late afternoon. That's when we start to clear, but I did bring in a chance again late overnight into early tomorrow. Most of these showers going to bring a bigger impact northwest of here as they do continue to travel closer to the state line. You can see they do look to break up, still leaving an isolated chance in overnight into early tomorrow. Then we dry up an outflow boundary that's actually going to form and fall south of here on Thursday. So might see a few isolated showers too. Our best chance after what we see today, though, we're actually going to focus on the second half of our weekend. Here's a live look over downtown Rockford, though. Window World, that's sponsored on top of the Supply Corps camera, sponsored by Window World. 56 in Rockford, 55 in DeKalb, 57 in Janesville. Temperatures have stayed very stationary all morning long, mid to upper 50s no matter where you are across the state line. Not as warm as what we're going to see tomorrow. Later this afternoon, daytime high is going to dip into those lower 70s, right near the 70-degree mark. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday likely making it up to 80. Definitely upper 70s, lower 80s all across the state line. That will take us through Saturday, the first half of the weekend, as the summer-like temperatures are not over yet. But the second half of our weekend could pose some strong to severe thunderstorms, at least a threat of that. Directly west of the area on Saturday, that's where there's going to be the best chance. As that low and occluding front does move a little further northeast, that could bring us a threat, though, at least near the area, possibly even across the state line. This track is set to change a few more times before we get to Sunday, but based on the placement right now, that could bring us some stronger storms, even some severe weather. Again, that wouldn't be the first half of the weekend, but the second half. Temperatures this afternoon, mentioned the lower 70s. Winds are going to gust to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Might see a 30 in there, so it is going to be pretty windy out there. Stays fairly windy tonight. Gusts around 15 miles per hour, so they drop a little bit, but temperatures down to only 58. So similar to what we woke up with this morning, and that's actually how our overnight lows. Nighttime temperatures are going to be upper 50s, lower 60s, and then the lower 80s, upper 70s, lower 80s. For the next couple of days, 74 by Sunday, though. So Whitney, it does turn cooler, and then focusing on that storm threat for Sunday as well.